Yo, 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 what up, YouTube BX? It's your boy Daddy Easy here, iPod jailbreak hacker, otherwise known as only using me tomahawks. Some of you guys may know me as Easy, like I always say, to the black to the blue on my avatar on my YouTube channel. Yeah, buddy. So I got another package here from Amazon. Now, this was sent out to me. I don't have no idea what this is. Um, Basically, a company reached out to me and they basically want me to look at this, so I don't know how the package is gonna look. Um, they just said it's a bust down gold diamond Apple Watch thing for my Apple Watch. So I never seen this before. I tried to look up the company on Amazon. The only thing they told me was they want my opinion before they actually fully sell this on Amazon. So they asked me what color I want. I really wanted silver, but they said to try this gold one. So yeah, y'all know the deal. Bat knife, box, bat knife. Let's unbox this shit. I have no idea what this shit is. They just said a diamond bracelet for the Apple Watch. So, okay, nice box. How you open this shit up? Oh, snap. Stop playing. What? Yo. Yo. Yo, I'm legit speechless, guys. Like, damn, they got this thing wrapped up like crazy. Yo, I'm gonna have to get a pair of scissors. Yo, guys, let me pause this video. Let me go get some scissors real quick. I'll be right back. Okay, guys, I'm back. Got some scissors. Yo. Yo. Oh, I definitely. Yo, I definitely. Yo, guys, let me stop the recording real quick so I can try to get this out. Damn. Yo, let me pause this real quick. Okay. Yo. This is freaking. Go. Damn. Will this actually fit my wrist, bro? I don't even know. Let me take off my Apple Watch right now, bro. I'm thick, so. Hold on. Make sure this is correct. I might be doing this wrong. Yo, let me pause this thing again. I'm gonna put the watch, everything together, then I'll come back, but yo, I'll be back. I'll be back. Yo, look at this, bro. Yo, I gotta put my Apple Watch in this, guys. Yo, I gotta pause this video, get my Apple Watch in here, and yo, this is, yo, I gotta get my watch in here. I'll be back, guys. Alright, boys, I'm back. Look at this, bro. This is the ill bust down. Now, I gotta fix this thing. I rushed to get this on there because I didn't want to kill my battery with this, but I gotta fix the knobs on here. But that works. I basically got to get that to fix. I got to basically take it back out and redo this all over again, just so I can get this to work. Okay, guys, I am back. So I just read the instructions with everything. Came with a lot of stuff, screwdriver, baggies and stuff like that. And I'm getting text messages like crazy. Then it comes with a tool right here, so you can take the pins out, so you can make it smaller depending on your wrist size. So I just wish they gave you a better box, but I understand this is like the prototype for it, so no complaints. But here it is right here. You know I had to put the roly right there, bro, like that. So if y'all want to know how you get these custom watch faces, let me know. I'm getting text messages like crazy with Twitter. So we got this one right here. This another bust down right there. Then we got, let's go to the next one. We have this one right here. Love this one right here. Then we got this one in blue. Then we got this one. We have this one. We have this one. This is one of my favorites right here. We got this one right here. See that? This one. I'm trying to find my other Rolex one. The Matrix right there. That one's a good one right here. This is one of my favorites right here. This is good with this watch right here. The Last of Us. G-Shock right there. This is the one I rocked with all day. Jesus Christ. PlayStation. You know what? Let me put do not disturb one right now. Just turn them on, because that's going to keep happening. Another G-Shock one right here. I'm trying to find my roly one. My Rolex one right there. I know y'all like that right there. Batman Rolex version. I got a Superman version one also. For all y'all Fortnite gamers right there. Just to let y'all see that again. Fortnite right there. Batman again. I'm trying to find that clean watch front that's straight black on it. For all y'all Gucci play right there. So you can rock around like this. Rocking that Gucci thing right there. So they look at it, they be like, yo, is that Gucci, bro? Yo, it's a Gucci watch right there, dogs. Rolex right here. I got one that's Balenciaga also. Got the Apple one right there. Matrix one. Got another one. So you could really walk around like this, bust it down, bro. I'm almost out of time, so here it is. The Rolly right there, bro. That's the clean one right there. Right there, that Rolly right there, bro. That's that clean shit right there. So tell me what you guys, how y'all like this. Let me know, and I'll catch you guys later. Peace, deuces one, and I'm out. Holla.